Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today we're going to be showing you how to use one of our favorite tools, topic research. If you're ever in question about what you should be writing in your blog posts or what your customers might be interested in, or discover some trending topics that are going around in the world, this is a great way to start. So first you're going to head over here to topic research under all crafts, or you can start under a product or service or a campaign. Open the one that you want to create a topic research on, and then click craft from there. So we're going to start off here, topic research. Let's go ahead and make this craft. Now, of course, like all of our other crafts, we need to think about our context. So I'm going to be talking about my Choco Trip. Trip are one of our cookies that we have, and almond blossom cookies, and I'm going to click next. So what it's going to do is going to keep that context there about the information on that product and use that throughout my research. All right, let's see. What kind of topics would we like to explore? So what we could do is do a search based off of our keyword set that we've already created. Or we can add a random keywords in here and start looking up some trending topics. So let's add, let's say, um, new cookie recipe using cardamom. All right. Research some topics. Let's see what other people might be writing or searching for. Craftify takes this information and it's going to go and search and find out what we should do next. So just hold on for a second. All right, now we've got a nice topic. So here's some trending topics that we found. Feel free to use or select one of these for any of our future uses. So a topic could be a cardamom snickerdoodle cookie. And these are some sources of other people who have been making these recently or something similar to that. So what this it does is instead of just Google searching and getting a bunch of random stuff, this is really isolating exactly what you're looking for and finding people who are like you in the same business that are creating great content based off of the same things. So we can keep all of these. I think all of these are going to be worth us moving forward with. So we'll scroll all the way down to click done. Under our results panel, we'll see all of these different topics and where we can go to find information about those different different blogs that are writing on these same things, and we can gain some inspiration on what they're doing so I can make a new cardamom based cookie. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you need some ideas on other people and what they're doing, what's trending, especially in your specific industry, this is a great way to start. We love this tool. This is how I start with working a lot of my blogs. So hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and keep crafting.